Hey, hi guys. In this session, we will see how to handle multiple windows and multiple tabs by using Selenium WebDriver. This is the practice link which you can use. This is the application where you can practice, and here you can see too many buttons are there. Once you will click on this button, it will open one new window. See, it has opened one new window. Now I will close it, and this is for tab. It will open one new tab. So how to handle this tab, like how to switch from this window to this window, I will explain you while writing script. I will close this, and this is for multiple window handling. So once you will click on it, it will open multiple windows. See, it is opening two windows. So I will close it, and once you will click on this fourth button, it will open multiple tabs. So I will explain you how you can switch on multiple windows, multiple tabs. And in the last one, once you will click on it, it will open multiple tabs and windows both. See, so multiple tabs are opening, and you can see multiple windows are also open, right? So I will close it. So now let's write a program. We can create a class with the name of window handles. Common code, I can take it from previous class. So I will copy it from here till here. And URL, we can take it from here. This is the practice link. I'll replace with it. So after that, what we need to do, I will explain you for multiple windows. Then it will be easy for you to handle single windows. This is for single windows, single tab. But I'll explain you for multiple windows so that you can handle this single window as well, right? So I will explain you for this button 3 and button 4 in this session. First of all, we need to click on this button, right? So for clicking on this button, we will have to write a web element. So let me inspect this, and see ID is available. So we can take the ID and we can start writing here. Driver dot find element by dot ID, and we can paste ID here, and then we can use the click method. And this is for handling multiple windows. We can write here multiple windows. So after clicking on it, once you will click on it, right, it will open multiple windows. Let me click on it, see. So once I will click, it is opening two more windows, right? It means this is a child window, this is also a child window, and this one is a main window, means parent window. We will have to write a code to handle both the windows. So I will write here driver dot get. There are two methods available. One is get window handle and another one is get window handles. So get window handle we use for the parent window. If you are using this method, it means you are going to handle for parent window. So by using this method, you can handle only parent window, right? If you want to come back from child window to parent window, then that time you can use this method. So let me store in one reference variable. I will store in parent window, and return type will be string. Here you can see string. And if I show here, see, it is saying get window handle, and you can see return type is string here. And for get window handles, return type is set. So interviewer mostly asks what would be the return type of get window handle and get window handle. So you should be aware about the return type of both methods, get window handle as well as get window handles. So for this, return type is string. So we are going to use return type here string. So now if you want to print, then we can print the parent window as well. So parent window is parent window. Now it will print along with this message, right? So after that, for child window, For child window, we are going to use get window handles. So driver dot get window handles. So now this time we are going to use get window handles, and return type will be set of strings, right? So we will use as it is return type, right? Set of string. Now I will store in one reference variable, and reference variable I am going to take window handle, and return type will be set of string. Return type will be set of string. And this set belongs to java.util package. So I will have to import. Now we can print child window as well. This out. I will write here window handle. So now if I'll run, then it will print parent window as well as it will print all the child windows along with this parent window. So let me execute it and show you. See, it is printing parent window. This is the parent window. And in window handle, you can see parent window and these two child windows, right? So this is a child window, this is the child window, and this is the parent window. You can see both are the same. This and this one is same, right? So this one is going get window handles is going to handle all the windows. It will give you the window name, or it will give you the all window name, right? And the get window handle, it will handle only parent window. Now, how to handle those windows, right? As of now, we have seen only use of get window handle and get window handles, right? These two are the methods. So get window handles, we use to handle multiple windows, and get window handle, we use to handle only single window, that is parent window. I will explain you how to handle child windows by using iterator method, as well as I will explain you how to handle by using for each loop. So first of all, I will show you the iterator one. So how we can use iterator method? First of all, we will have to copy this reference variable because this is going to use for the multiple windows. So we can write here window handle dot, we have iterator method, we can use iterator method, iterator. And now I will have to store in one reference variable. Reference variable, I'm going to take ITR, and return type will be iterator, and it will be string type. So typecast, we can write here string. Now what we can do, since we have total 3 windows, right? So once you will click on it, it will open 2 more windows, right? 2 child windows and 1 parent window. It means we need to handle 3 windows. So we can iterate all of them by using this iterator only. Iterator dot next, and we can store in one reference variable first window, and return type will be string. So return type we are keeping here string because it is going to iterate single window, right? And same for other 2 child windows we can use here. We can write here second window, and here we can write third window, right? After this, what we are going to do, we are going to get title of all the pages. How we can get the title of all the pages? So we can write here system.out.println, and here we can write driver dot get title. So it means it is going to get the title of the parent page, right? Here I can write parent window. Now after that, I will have to switch into child window. How we can switch? Again, we can use driver dot switch to method, driver dot switch to dot window, and here we can use the window. So as of now, we are in first window. but currently we are in first window, but we need to switch into second window. So I will write here second window, right? And after switching on the second window, again we will print the title. So here instead of parent, we can write here first child window, right? And here I can give some space. Now, if you want to switch into third window, again you will have to use driver dot switch to dot window, and you can use third window, right? And again we can print the title. So here instead of writing first child window, we can write second child window, right? So now I will run this program and I will show the output. All two child windows got open, right? Now I will close it manually because I haven't used driver.quit method. So if you can see the console output, then see, this is the parent window and this is the child first window and this is the child second window. We are getting the proper title of all the pages, right? And this is the window name. Now what we are going to do, so if you want to write something in first window, then how we can write? See, if I click on this window, then it will open two windows, right? This is the second child window and this is the first child window. In the first child window, you can see there are some text box, right? So if I want to write something here, then how we can write? We can inspect it. See, ID is available. We can use the ID. And I will write here. We are going to write in second window. So I will write here driver dot find element by dot ID. And here I will pass the ID. I want to give the name tester. Now I will execute it. See. So this is our first window and it has typed, it has entered tester, right? So this is how you can handle multiple windows. Wherever you want to switch, you can switch by using this driver dot switch to window, right? If you want to switch on parent window, then you can use get window handle. And if you want to switch on child windows, then you can use like this second window, third window, right? And if you want to write something, if you want to handle any action, if you want to perform any action in third window, then you can perform under this only, right? Likewise, I have done in first window, right? Now what we are going to do after that, if you want to come back on parent window, if you want to come back on parent window, if you want to write something here, then how we can write? I'll inspect this. And here ID name is available. I will use the name. So I will write here driver dot find element by dot ID. And here we can pass the ID like this. And if you want to write something, then we can use send keys. And I want to print hello. But if directly you are using this, then it won't write anything here. It will give you an error, right? Let me show you. See, it has handled the child windows, right? Child windows, it is handling, but it is not going to handle this window. See, it will give you some error. It is saying, see, other windows, child windows, it got handled, but that main window, that parent window, it is giving some error, right? Here you can see unable to find out the element because focus is on child window. Currently, focus is on child window. If you want to come back on parent window, then you will have to switch. How we can switch? Driver dot switch to dot window. For parent window, I have written like this. See here, parent window. This is a parent window. You can copy it, this reference variable, because for handling parent window, we use get window handle. It means it is going to handle for parent window. So for parent window, we can use get window handle, right? So now it will switch and it will write hello. So before switching on this window, we will have to close both two windows, right? So I will write here driver dot close. It will close this window. And for this also, I will write here the same. We will have to close both child windows and then only we can switch into the parent window, right? Now I will again execute. It will handle both windows and it will close. See, after handling, it got closed, and after closing the window, it has typed here hello, right? So this is how you can handle both all the windows, right? I have showed you how to handle parent window. I have showed you how to handle child windows by using this iterator method. Now I will show you how to handle by using for each loop. So how to use for each loop? First of all, I will have to copy this for this get window handles. So for each loop, we are going to use to iterate the child windows, right? So here by using this get window handles, we can handle all the windows. So I am going to copy this window handle. I will write here and I will store in one reference variable. Reference variable, I will take handles. We can write handles windows, right? And return type will be string because it is going to iterate single windows, right? So after that, what we can do? We can use driver dot switch to method. Again, driver dot switch to dot window. Here we can write handles windows. Here we can copy this and paste it here because we are going to handle multiple windows, right? Using for each loop, it will iterate all the windows one by one, right? And if you want to get the title of all the windows, then we can use here system.out.println. And here we can write driver dot get title. So as of now, I'm going to comment these lines, these iterator one, right? Because this is not required. So I will comment this line. This is the one way by using iterator we can handle. Now we are going to see by using for each loop. So if I'll run this program, then it will print all the windows title. It will print the title of all the windows. Let's see the output. See, it is printing all the windows. This is the parent window. This is the child windows, right? First and second windows. So it is printing all of them. So whatever you feel comfortable, you can use it, right? And if you want to perform any action in any window, then here you can use if else condition under this for each loop only, right? Here only you can use. Here you can use if condition. So whatever action you want to perform, you can put the condition right here. If you want to switch on parent window, then again you will have to switch here driver dot switch to. If you want to come back on parent window, then again you will have to switch driver dot switch to dot window. And here we can use a parent window. It is already suggesting, right? And after this, we can use driver dot find element by dot id, and id we have, let's see. So id is available name. We can write here name, and here we can print some value. Here we can write something. So I want to write here hi. right? So after handling multiple windows, it will come back on parent page and it will say hi. It will enter hi in the text box. See, it is writing. So see, after handling all the windows, it is typing hi in the parent window, right? So this is how you can handle multiple windows. So there are two ways. One is by using iterator method and second one is by using for each loop. So whatever you feel comfortable, whatever you feel easy, you can use it, right? So it is quite easy. And this we have seen for multiple windows. Now, if you want to handle multiple tabs, then we can comment this line and we can write here driver dot find element by dot id, and here we can pass the id for tabs as well, right? So for tabs as well, we can inspect this and id is new tabs button, right? Dot click, and this is for multiple tabs. So as of now, we have commented this line and we are going to use this multiple tab. So for multiple tabs, remaining code will be the same. Only I have changed this new tabs. Now, if I want to handle this multiple tab, then we can use the same code for multiple tabs as well. See, so now it's launching the application. It will click on that button. See, now multiple tabs got open, right? See, so it got handled all the tabs and it has, after handling, it has typed here hi. This is how you can handle multiple tabs as well, right? So code I haven't changed. Same code you can use for multiple tabs as well as for multiple windows. I will comment this line. Now, if you want to see by using iterator method, then you can use same line of code for multiple tabs as well by using iterator. So let me again rerun it. Again, it will click on multiple tabs and it will handle. See, it got handle and after handling, it has written hello, right? And all tabs got closed because I have used here close. It means it will close all the tabs as well as windows, right? So code I haven't changed, right? So same code you can utilize for multiple tabs as well as for multiple windows, right? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. Thanks for watching this video.